Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore the automatic repair loop in Windows, a frustrating issue faced by many users. We'll discuss its symptoms and how to resolve them effectively. First, let's understand the common causes behind the automatic repair loop. Issues may range from software errors to hardware failures. Step 1 is accessing the Windows Recovery Environment, or WinRE. You can do this by interrupting the boot process a few times. Next, we'll run Startup Repair from the WinRE menu. This process attempts to fix issues preventing Windows from starting correctly. If Startup Repair didn't resolve the issue, the third step is to use System Restore, which allows you to revert your system to a previous stable state. Now, let's open the command prompt. Here, you can execute various commands to attempt fixes and repairs. The fifth step involves checking disk integrity using the check disk command, which helps identify and fix disk-related issues. Next, we'll repair the boot configuration data using bootrec commands. This is crucial for fixing boot-related problems. If all else fails, reinstalling Windows is the last resort. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. In conclusion, we've covered essential steps to fix the automatic repair loop. Remember, keeping your system updated and backing up data can help prevent these issues in the future.